Hello, Flower Glamorous Cooking with Beverly family. Today we're going to learn how to get more views from the browser feature. Do you know what the browser feature is? Another hint. You need to stay to the end of this video because at the end of this video, I'm telling you how you can get views while you sleep. Today we're going to learn about the 6 different features that you can get views from, or that is used to get your views. And to know what those features are and where they're at and how you get it. So let's get right on into it. We ain't got time to waste. Let's get into it. The YouTube search is where people search on YouTube. You know, when you go to your your page on YouTube, and if you're looking for something and you put it in the search engine, in the YouTube search, that's the YouTube search engine. And when you put that in, it gives you different views, like if you put in there how to grow flowers, and it'll come up with different ways, different videos on how to grow flowers. So that is the YouTube search, and that is one way to get your video out also. The next one is suggested. When you see the video on the, when you upload a video, and on the right hand side of your page, you will see other different videos after your analytics, telling all about your video. You may even see some of your own videos, but you will see other people's videos that is related to the video that you are showing at that time. Those are suggested. That is your suggested. Another thing to do, when you go back to your dashboard in the back, and where it has, and you hit your videos, and I've told you about this in previous videos, where you can hit the video and go to a certain video, and you can see all the analytics for that video. You can know about your RPM, your click-through rate, your audience retention. You need to study that. You really need to study that and to know where your views are coming from. All the things we're going over today, they'll be right there. They'll tell you the percentage of how many, what your percentage is for that video, how it went out. So that is something we really need to study. That way you can learn what videos you need to make more of. When you see that the rate is up high for a certain video, you see that your CPM is up, your RPMs are up, you need to make more videos pertaining to that same video. Okay, our next one is channel page. Channel page. That is people who are typing in your name and they go to your channel. That's what channel page is. Different people who are typing in your name in the description, Google, wherever. That is the channel page. You also see external. When your video is on Facebook, IG, Twitter, people click that link and watch your video. That's your external views. So when you see that you, for your video that you had just uploaded, the externals for that video is like 10%. So 10% of the people who are watching your video at that time have come from Facebook or IG or Twitter or some other social media. That's what externals are. Your playlists. Your playlists are very important. People will click on your playlist and sit there and watch the whole playlist if that is what they are looking for at the moment. You need to organize your playlist because it's like watching, your favorite program on TV, and it comes on every week, and they have different shows for it. Your playlist the same way. You know, sometime on the weekend you may sit and binge watch all those series or all those shows that you have missed during the week. You just gonna sit and binge watch them, and that what is a playlist is alike. If people like your playlist, they will binge watch it. They will sit and look and look and look, and then they'll go and try to find other playlists close or related or something else that they like from your playlist. And the most important one, the one that we all are aiming to get, is the browse. The browse. The browse. The browse feature. When you see your browse feature is number one for how you get people to watch your video, you should be really excited, because browse feature is sending people to the home page. And that's what we all want, is to be sent to the home page, to be on other creators or people's home page, where when you go to your home page, that's the first thing you see is Betty Boo. Her video uploaded a video today, and it's the first thing I see on my home page. Let me see what Betty Boo is talking about today. That's what you want. You want that browse feature where your video is recommended on the home page. So everyone, go back and check out your video analytics to see where you're getting the views from, and you want to see browse feature as the number one, because when you see browse feature, you are recommended. You get traffic on the home page, the home screen, the subscriptions feed, and other browsing features. So you want to be recommended for the home page. And when you upload a video, that's what you desire to be put on the home page. And let me see, I'm looking at my notes because I don't want to miss one. Evergreen Content. Have you heard of Evergreen Content? When you're uploading a video, just don't upload anything just to be doing it. Just, I haven't uploaded videos in a week. I need to get one out right quick. And you just go out there, and as you're riding up and down the road, taking pictures and chit-chat and just take a snapshot. They're good, they're fine, but people don't want to look at that all the time. Think clearly, think through how you want to, what you want that video to be. Just don't just go throw up anything anywhere. Put up the right video, okay? And then, think on it. Think of a video that will last for years, will be there for years. It may be slow coming up at first. You may not get the views like you think. I have several videos like that I thought wouldn't get any views at all. They started out real slow, and then maybe a month or two later, I go back and check that video. It's in the thousands. That's what you call evergreen content. And those are videos that will last for years and years and years. You may even be off YouTube, and that video is still getting views. We all need to strive for evergreen content, where those videos will continue while you're sleeping. That's the kind of videos you want. While you're sleeping, you're still getting views. You don't even have to work for it, because your content is right. Your content is saying something. It ain't something you done slapped up for a minute just to put up to say, I put up a video today. Do it right, people. Do it right, and you will be blessed from it. I hope you all have learned something from this video today, because it will bless you and it will help your channel to grow. Remember that I love you, but God loves you more. You know why? Because you are God's masterpiece. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this video or any other videos that you may have an idea that you would like me to do. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing